Hello guys, welcome to our channel all about cars and I hope you guys are doing okay. सारे and Canada सारे enjoy कर रहे हैं ये unlock 1 and I hope we have unlock 2 अपन दोबारा lockdown च ना जाइए. And today we are going to review Kia Seltos, which is like loaded with features. It is like buffet and a good one. And Sakat, when I was like I was very confused. Like बहुत ज़्यादा confusion है. कितने models है total इधर?
तो इसमें किया सेल्टोस में बेसिकली आ जाते हैं आपके 8 मॉडल्स,
लाइक 8 पेट्रोल के 8 डीजल के,
8 पेट्रोल के 8 डीजल के। और आप ये देखो इसमें कंपनी हमें दे रही है, ऑफर कर रही है, पेट्रोल में हमें ऑफर कर रही है 2 इंजन, एक है 1.4 और एक है 1.5 और डीजल में आ जाता है आपका 1.5। डीजल वाला मैंने ड्राइव करके देखा, मेरे को थोड़ा अंडर पावर्ड लगा 1.5, बट पेट्रोल वाले 1.4 एंड 1.5 आर गुड।
गेट बैक टू दिस लाइक थोड़ा वीडियो के बाद एंड टू नॉट मेक दिस कंफ्यूजिंग, द कंपनी इज ऑफरिंग 2 लाइन्स, टेक लाइन एंड जीटी लाइन, टू लाइक मेक इट इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? So Sakar, like what are the basic features of this car?
So if we come to basic features, I have noted down some basic features in the car. Like the basic features are like it's 50-liter tank capacity. In diesel and in petrol both are the same.
Tanks are same.
Okay, so the 1.5-liter diesel engine produces a torque of 242 Newton meters of torque, and it has a BHP of 138.
So what do you think, like if any BHP urban SUV like ठीक है या घट है ज़्यादा है?
As I told you earlier ना in the beginning that मतलब मेरे को 1.5 लीटर डीजल इंजन इस गाड़ी की कैपेसिटी और इस गाड़ी की लेंथ एंड मेजरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग ऑल दी मतलब आप कह सकते हो कि फिजिकल
लाइक थोड़ा घट पावर घट,
हाँ पावर बॉडी के स्ट्रक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग पावर कम है।
लाइक इट इज लाइक अगर लैग अगर आप स्पीड कर रहे हैं उधर
तो इन फ्यूचर अगर कंपनी ऐड ऑन करना चाहे तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि या तो इंजन दे कैन इंक्रीज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट और या इसी इंजन में दे कैन इंक्रीज दी BHP.
Okay, BHP
they can increase the power.
Okay. So now like what are the like features that you liked about, like now this segment we will talk about the features. ना तेनू केड़े फीचर्स पसंद लगे, like बहुत ही सही लगे?
अब मेरे को जो से फीचर्स अट्रैक्टिव लगे, जो मतलब आउटस्टैंडिंग थे, जो किसी गाड़ी में मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखे, ठीक है? तो वो पहले पे तो हम आ जाते हैं एयर प्योरीफायर लोगो। हाँ किया लोगो या किया लोगो। तो मेरे को पसंद आया भाई एयर प्योरीफायर, बिकॉज़
लाइक आई आल्सो लाइक दैट, लाइक एयर प्योरीफायर लाइक आजकल दे टाइम इट इज अ मस्ट। ਆਪਾਂ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਬਟ ਡਿਊ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਥੋੜਾ ਘਟ ਵੀ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ, ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਗੁੱਡ, ਬਟ ਸਟਿਲ प्योरीफायर आई लाइक,
जो हाल है वर्ल्ड वाइड ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो रही है एंड एयर पोल्यूशन एयर इज नॉट प्योर। अब फोन पे भी आप रोज चेक करते हैं क्वालिटी इज डिक्रीजिंग,
सो आई लव द फीचर
डिक्रीजिंग डे बाय
एयर प्योरीफायर इज लाइक द प्लस
thumbs up
plus 100 for this Kia. Air purifier is good,
so it's like a cool feature and outstanding
nice feature.
Yeah.
Next
week we will come to the middle row curtains. इन समर्स यू थिंक आपको की काफ़ी ज़रूरत पड़ती है कि हाँ आपके शीशे, यहाँ देखो इंडिया में टिंटेड विंडोज़ अलाउड नहीं है, तो हाँ चलान है, तो उस पर हमें उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट चाहिए कुछ, क्योंकि धूप से बुरा हाल हो जाता है जब हम समर्स में ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं। तो उसमें आपको किया में आपको मिडल रो में
इट इज लाइक मिडल
रो में आपको 2 कर्टेन्स मिल जाते हैं फोल्डेबल एंड विच आर लीगल एंड विच आर कंपनी फिटेड।
दैट इज आल्सो नाइस,
दैट इज अ कूल काइंड ऑफ फीचर। एक तो आप चलान से बच जाओगे, दूसरी बात ये है कि दूसरा धूप से बच जाओगे।
चलान तो तुम फोन भी करा
ओहो वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट थिंग आल्सो। तो एक तो दूसरा आपकी कार का टेम्परेचर अंदर उससे थोड़ा वो रहता है, मिनिमल, मतलब हाई नहीं रहता।
एंड द थिंग दैट आई लाइक इट दे ऑफर यू 10.25 इंच ऑफ डिस्प्ले LED
एंड व्हिच इज काइंड ऑफ कूल थिंग। एंड उसमें अब एक बड़ी हमें क्या कहते हैं बड़ी अट्रैक्टिव चीज पता लगी थी और वो विकास बताया।
एंड दैट थिंग इज लाइक यू कैन आल्सो प्ले मूवीज। अब आप मूवीज देख
सकते हैं इन अ स्टैंडिंग कार, नॉट इन मोशन, नॉट इन मोशन। व्हेन योर कार इज इन मोशन इट दैट फीचर ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप्स।
व्हेन आई वाज थिंकिंग लाइक है ना, लाइक अगर ठीक है आप मूवी देख रहे हैं बट लाइक मैनू फिर आई थॉट कि लाइक हाँ अगर किसी ने घरों कढ़ता अजकल लॉकडाउन की लड़ाई होगी यू कैन गो
So you can imagine that kind of situations.
you can go and watch Netflix, Hulu, Netflix, Amazon,
So you
anything.
can come to my house anytime.
It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto,
Yeah.
so you can also use that also. And the video quality is also good. Video
Yeah.
and sound quality in the top model. they
Video
have,
was
really nice.
180p I think
it
pixels.
was like 180p. So and they offer you Bose speakers that are 8. And the next thing in petrol version they offer 6 airbags, which is
Yeah.
like plus point for security.
But
in the diesel variant they only have like 4 airbags.
like
So,
in top end variant of diesel,
why Kia, why?
top end in variant of diesel,
Like, it is kind of cost cutting.
yeah, they are offering you only, like you are spending 18 lakhs and you are getting only 4 airbags. And
But,
if we go to Ford EcoSport, it is about 13 lakhs and top variant, and you get 6 airbags in that.
And-
So
but I think,
Kia, you should see up on that.
But I think they have like it is a 5-star NCAP rating, so the car is safe. And the one thing that I found like it was like it is quite delicate, you know.
I think Kia has much more concern in safety than Hyundai.
But I think they are like both the parent is the same, so it is like.
But
Potato.
I have seen the crash test videos on YouTube, so I felt that Kia is maintaining that safety measures much better than
And,
the Hyundai.
Yeah, but the one is the same thing. It's the same parent, so like
Yeah.
you know the same.
The parent is same. The kids are.
Kids can be different. Genes are different. And one thing, the voice control feature and the touch response of the LED or the display was good. But in voice control,
But I want to interrupt you here. In voice, you were saying.
Well, yeah, there are like-
voice feature.
like-
The commands were
There are like-
already saved in the software, and the specified commands you can
yeah,
only
like
specific
turn on the
specified.
I'm feeling hot.
Yeah.
It will just decrease or
Only
increase temperature by 2 degrees.
only they have specified amount of commands.
So, yes.
You don't have the abundance, or you don't have the variety
that
of
could have
voice
that,
control.
that could have been added on that.
Like
But-
you have in your Siri and your
no, they
voice
are like
control.
way too advanced or specific. But
Yeah.
I think it was like all the cars that I have used, the touch response was very good and very nice. It was like you touch it and it just happens, it works. It was very good. And the voice control was also good. It was nice. We can't say that it was bad, but it was good.
Yeah.
And they can work on the commands. They can
Yeah.
add more commands with the
Yeah,
software update.
that voice control feature was quite responsive.
It was nice. And the next thing, it has like it has 360 cameras, one on the front and one on the back.
So 180 plus 180, it's 360.
Like 180 from the front, 180 from the back, but like side things, no, they don't cover that. So it is a 360 camera, but with
So for side things, you have the side mirrors, so
No,
you
for the
don't need a
side-
camera.
no, but like it was like 360 camera. Like,
Yeah.
it was also good.
So it's quite enough, I think.
Yeah, it was nice. And
So what are your views regarding the sunroof?
the sunroof, like as you have told me, sunroof India ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ feature ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. But
So basically sunroof was meant for the European countries, क्योंकि
Yeah.
वहाँ पर
light कम है.
sunlight कम है, मतलब 365 days में से वहाँ पे sunlight काफी, India
हाँ.
has the highest number of sunlight days.
Exactly, like apart
Around
from,
the world.
apart from the population,
So-
this is also like we have.
इंडिया में अब sunroof इसलिए दी जाती है, it's
Like
quite
a-
of a feature,
Yeah.
attracting feature to the market, so that's why बाकी
They are offering sunroof only in the top variant.
टॉप वेरिएंट, बट इस
But-
प्राइस रेंज में मेरे को लगता है कि
Panoramic
सनरूफ की
sunroof.
जगह पैनोरामिक सनरूफ या
They-
मून रूफ आ सकती थी.
But I think
आ सकती थी ना?
yes, it
आ
could have
सकती
been. But I think in the upcoming model of 2021 they will
Yeah.
have that because And one thing I also like, it has wireless charging, but you also have to have a phone that supports wireless charging, and it has.
I think nowadays everybody is having the wireless. Even the Samsung S7 Edge, which was
Yeah.
3 years back,
They have
it also supports wireless
on the
charging.
model.
So I think everybody has a
And
wireless
if
charging.
You have your phone does not support wireless charging, so they offer like 2 USB ports that also have fast charging.
Yeah.
And in the middle tire, in the back seats, they offer you 12-watt socket,
Yes.
and which can also be used as charger.
And one more thing, in other cars I have noticed you don't have the rear AC vent.
Yes.
It has a rear AC vent,
That is also nice.
Below your air purifier, and
it's
your
on the
air
armrest.
purifier is under the armrest,
Armrest.
and
It
it's
is very
quite
good.
cool feature.
It is very placed, but that is in also
Air purifier display is quite attractive during the nights.
Yes, it looks very good.
Yeah.
And they
And
have
we can adjust the air
Yes,
purifier
we can.
intensity.
We can control it.
We can.
the one thing that is like it has also ambient lighting, which you know, they have lightings according to the music that is playing or according to your
you
mood.
mean to say मतलब वो जो सी वो
नीचे lights
हाँ.
वगैरह in the day, but
Around the
in
foot
broad
level.
daylight you cannot like actually see that, but in like night or in the evening they look very beautiful. It looks very good.
it
And-
give you a quite soothing feel.
It is like, you know, you can have a miniature disco party within the car when you are kicked out of your home, like Netflix with lighting.
Yeah, so you
That is
are
also
getting
good.
quite good in amount of 17 lakh rupees.
And they have cruise control like other variants, which is also very good
So
feature.
nowadays cruise control is also a standard feature in many cars.
If you drive a lot on the highways, you know, you always go with the cruise control. It
So
is
now
like-
we will come to the durability of car.
okay.
So when विकास जब मैंने गाड़ी चलाई तो मेरे को गाड़ी ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ी अंडर पावर्ड था इंजन. अब आप मेरे को ये मत कहना कि हाँ नेगेटिव्स बता रहा है, हम सब कुछ कवर कर रहे हैं. तो
This is like, you know,
we
we
have
are
to
just-
give a honest review, है ना?
We are just giving like what we feel like.
What
because,
we feel like,
हमें
मतलब-
जो लगा.
हाँ.
Like, you know,
बाकी
underpowered.
चॉइस मैटर्स टू पीपल, मतलब
No,
आपको
like,
क्या लगेगा?
underpowered because the body is very good.
Yeah.
It is very beautiful car.
Actually,
It is very pretty. It is like a, you know, like a model.
yeah.
They have designed it so well.
This car has brought a revolutionary change in the market. The the lumens of the LED lights which are fitted on the headlights are so much
And they
more.
look so. It is so graceful.
lumens,
And, it is very
the
good.
light is measured in lumens. Everybody knows. So that is much more than your basic halogen lamp. Evening when I switched on full beam.
They look very good. It
Yeah.
was very beautiful.
And
So now-
when I was standing in front of car, nothing was visible. The lights were so bright.
So it can
So that's
also.
a good-
Please do not try that because it can damage your
Yeah.
eyes.
And it's even a cause of accident for the pedestrians
Yes.
or somebody who is
That
coming in
can-
front of you.
But I think it is very good. You know.
Yeah, it gives
looks
you
very- looks very
a
beautiful.
handful amount of visibility.
And the other thing they give you, like in the upper variants, you have leather seats.
Yeah.
So like they were very comfortable.
With leather seats, I want to cover one more thing,
What?
and you know that feature.
What is that? If I know if I know the feature, why would I be guessing that?
Okay, so guys, jokes apart, I am telling you that feature that it has ventilated seats.
Oh yes, they are very
So
good.
it will give you a Merc feel, huh?
No.
Oh.
And I have.
I think Vikas is not satisfied with the,
no, I'm not. Like, so this question is for you guys. If you think, है ना, you agree with Sakar, just comment
Yeah.
down below Sakar. And if you do not, just say no, bitch. We don't.
So
Just comment down below what
text
what
in
do
the
you feel
comment
like.
section below, guys.
And I think they know where the comment section is.
I,
And now we are going to talk about the things we did not like.
yeah.
It was very hard to find things not to like about this car because you know
Yeah.
it is so fully loaded with features. Like if you just look at the steering wheel,
Like if you are spending 18 lakhs ना, तो
It is
मतलब
like
इस
one of
गाड़ी
the
में
best.
ऐसे फीचर्स आ रहे हैं कि मतलब to the next 5 years or to the next 6 years, no car can.
it
no
is like
ca-
two
हाँ.
towards because
will-
आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी हो रहा है.
But
so around 1 to 2 years,
I think
Yeah,
कि
it
मतलब
will be-
it will go on with the time.
and you know when you look at the steering,
It will not get outdated.
Yes.
Soon.
and when I looked at the steering wheel, it was so comfortable, and they are giving all the features like
So
volume
what do you
controls.
know about the steering wheel?
And
what you
so,
observed?
yeah, they have flat bottom steering wheel. Now Sakar is going to tell you what that is.
So guys, फ्लैट बॉटम स्टीयरिंग व्हील, जैसे कि आप सभी लोगों को पता है आजकल काफ़ी ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है कि लोग गाड़ियों में चाहते ही हैं कि हमारी गाड़ी में भी हो
And
फ्लैट
वो-
बॉटम.
नहीं, मेरे को नहीं पता फ्लैट बॉटम होता क्या.
अब फ्लैट बॉटम देखो, फ्लैट बॉटम स्टीयरिंग होता है जिसका फ्लैट बॉटम होता है, ठीक है, ये तो
ओह,
टर्म से ही क्लियर है. बट इसमें आपको मैं एक बात बताता हूँ, इस फ्लैट बॉटम स्टीयरिंग व्हील गाड़ियों में इंस्टॉल करने के पीछे रीज़न ये होता है कि इसके पीछे एक तो काफ़ी फिजिक्स इन्वॉल्व है. दूसरी बात ये है कि अब मैं आपको
फिजिक्स
बेसिक टर्म में ये बताऊंगा कि इसमें एक तो पहले आपकी हैंडलिंग, मेरे को पर्सनली काफ़ी फर्क लगता है हैंडलिंग टू मेकिंग अ राउंड इन अ राउंड स्टीयरिंग व्हील और टू मेकिंग अ राउंड टर्न इन अ फ्लैट बॉटम
It
स्टीयरिंग।
will give you a feeling like Fast and Furious, but
इससे आपकी गाड़ी का टर्निंग रेडियस भी रिड्यूस हो जाता है।
That also will help you like अगर आप क्रॉस कर रहे हैं and
And I think in Maruti and other variants, in top end variants, they are also
They are
offering,
offering, but
like
not-
in Desire,
Yeah.
like in Swift, new versions in
they have-
2019 and 2020.
and the other thing
Yeah, they are
that
offering
I
that.
would like, you know, under thigh support.
Yes, even मैं मतलब जब बैठा था सीट पर तो मेरे को भी ना अंडर थाई सपोर्ट
थोड़ा लगा यानी
लगा।
because
मैंने पहले कहीं आई सॉ इट ऑन इंटरनेट ऑल्सो एंड आई थॉट कि मेरे को बैठ के ही पता लगेगा। जब मैं खुद बैठा तो मेरे को पता
So,
लगा
like,
कि गाड़ी वैसे
I think it will not affect on short like journeys, but अगर आप लंबी journeys पे जा रहे हैं at that
like
time,
the car is good for the taller people, but the under thigh support is not good.
yeah.
I would recommend that Kia should improve in future.
And if they
models.
watch this video, please,
we are personally reviewing this car
because we could find this one.
yeah.
That is the only reason. And but the next thing is like I didn't like the next thing. Like it is very hard, you know.
What?
And the third thing that I did not liked about this car,
What is hard?
to find, you know,
Oh.
find to dislike this,
Okay, okay.
because it is so,
Yeah.
you know, so
कार इज क्वाइट एक्साइटिंग
Yeah.
व्हेन जब हम बैठे ना कार में तो एक अलग सी फील है कि हाँ कि मतलब क्या फ्यूचर
yeah. One thing I have
you
looked
feel
this
like Tesla.
I know, but like one thing that I found, it was like, you know, height adjustable seat belts.
It was not there
So like
in
we
the
have
top
to
variant also.
we have to do like really research things out, like not to it was very hard to find things that we, you know, इसको पसंद, इसको कैसे करें हम कम.
Even in the fog lamps, car was having, you know, LEDs.
It was-
the three-tone type LEDs in the fog lamp also.
it is so like this
So
car is,
don't, if you are having a Kia, don't crash your car from
Because
front
it
because
will be
the
very
LEDs will cost you around.
and one thing that we found out that अगर आप अपना alloy upgrade करा रहे हैं
हाँ.
तो like the Kia has this technology TPMS, that is tire pressure monitoring system.
Yeah.
तो इससे क्या होता है कि आपका टायर प्रेशर बताते हैं. तो अगर आप alloy, if you are like about to, you know, upgrade your alloys to 17 inches और कस्टम कहीं से भी करवा रहे हैं तो उसके अंदर एक सेंसर है.
अगर आप कंपनी से बाहर करवा रहे हैं अलॉय या अपना टायर का साइज अपग्रेड करवा रहे हैं 16 से 17 इंचेस में जा रहे हैं या
और
टायर का प्रोफाइल बढ़ा रहे हैं या रिम्स चेंज करवा रहे हैं, अपनी
Alloy.
मर्जी का अलॉय डलवा रहे हैं,
Custom ले रहे हैं.
प्लीज नोटिस
हाँ.
दैट कि आपका वो सेंसर्स जो से अलॉयज के अंदर फिटेड हैं या वो हब्स के अंदर फिटेड होंगे, प्लीज
under
री इंस्टॉल देम विद योर न्यू पेयर ऑफ अलॉयज और टायर्स.
because both that sensor is around 4,000 each, so it will be around
एक
20,000.
सेंसर 4,000 रुपए का है.
So 20,000 for the sensors. So
और
this
अगर
is-
आप सेंसर्स नहीं इंस्टॉल करोगे तो
तो
कार
TPMS
में
will
कंटिन्यूअसली
not
नोटिफिकेशन आती
हाँ,
रहेगी
and
एंड इट विल
the
सेंड यू
TPMS will not work, that
अलार्मिंग
tire-
साउंड अलर्ट
So,
अगेन एंड
and
अगेन
it will be heavy on your pocket also,
Yeah.
and you know आपको एक फीचर भी कम हो जाएगा.
और ये फीचर ये वाली बात कंपनी को भी नहीं पता थी
हाँ,
यहाँ
जहाँ पे जो हम कार रिव्यू
One
कर
of our
रहे थे,
friend
तो
upgraded the alloys.
they just told us कि प्लीज मेंशन दिस थिंग कि अगर आप टायर अपग्रेड करा रहे हैं तो दे हैव अ सेंसर एंड
एक्चुअली दे अपग्रेडेड द
they alloy उन्होंने the alloys they have
फ्रॉम
diamond
ग्रे
cut.
टू डायमंड कट आर इन द टॉप एंड वेरिएंट.
So that alloy costs them around 50,000.
या
So that is also you can have a notice, like if you are planning to upgrade, so it will cost you around 50,000 rupees.
या
And so what are the things that you did not like about this car?
सो बेसिकली आई हैव नोटिस सम पॉइंट्स कि
Okay,
मतलब
so-
जो से मेरे को पसंद नहीं आए. तो एक तो पहले हमने अंडर थाई सपोर्ट कर लिया था, हाइट एडजस्टिंग सीट बेल्ट होगी.
Yeah, we have
फिर आ जाता है अंडर पावर्ड इंजन. ये मैंने पहले भी वीडियो में
in the starting it was like, you know, he just gave it away.
सो अंडर पावर्ड, क्योंकि अब अगर आप ये देखें कि सेम पेरेंट कंपनी दे आर
Yeah.
मेकिंग द Hyundai Creta ऑल्सो.
Yes.
तो उसमें भी 1.6 लीटर इंजन आता है, डीजल इंजन. ठीक है, तो इसमें दे आर गिविंग 1.5. बाकी आई डोंट नो द मार्केटिंग इश्यूज ऑफ द कंपनी, बट
But I
स्टिल
think
दे कैन अपग्रेड फ्रॉम
If they are giving 1.6,
either
then-
they should increase the engine displacement
Or the BHP.
or the BHP because engine was quite underpowered.
One thing that I was talking, like the car, I found the car very delicate, you know,
Yeah.
with all the LEDs and all the stuff. So I think अगर हम
It's
इसको-
not meant for the off-roads.
but you can take it to off road, but you have to be
We
careful.
are not telling you that it's not it can't be
But it
off-roaded
is an
or
urban
but
SUV,
still
so it is for the
हाँ.
cities and highways. But like if you
as the company claims that it's an urban car, So it's meant for the
I
city
think-
city rides only,
I
or
think,
for the
हाँ.
highways, and it's not meant for the you are taking it to Manali and you are making
No, you
off
can,
roading.
because the
You
roads are
can.
very good.
Now the conditions are very good, but still I am a off-road freak, so I like
I'm not
Pajero, and I like old school cars much better.
But I think you can take it, but you have to be careful because parts are also costly.
Yeah.
And I found the car quite delicate.
What are your views regarding ground clearance?
The ground clearance is 190 mm, which is I think good because all the other cars are also, but it could have been more.
It can be increased.
It should be around 200,
So
but I think it was good.
It can be increased because you people know the condition of Indian roads.
Indian roads are not pretty good. Like अगर एक दा मीह पै गया,
हाँ.
पापा ਨੂੰ टोए नहीं ਲੱਭਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ. You can't find out the potholes. So I think ground clearance was good, 190 mm. It is nice. So I think if I hope we have covered all the points.
Yeah.
And if we miss something, and so please let us
Please
know.
forgive us.
Please let us
It's
know.
our first video, and if we forget something, so please let us know
Down-
below in the
just
comment
down
section.
if we have missed something. अगर आप कुछ भूल गए हैं, just comment down below and let us know how was the video, and if you liked it, please give us a
Give
thumbs
it-
up.
Yeah.
And if you disliked it, please फिर भी like कर दो because we are just learning stuff out. And I hope you have enjoyed this
So
video.
guys, like, subscribe, share, and we
and-
are on active on Instagram,
Snapchat, Twitter,
Facebook, and
Facebook,
even
everything.
on Twitter also.
Yeah, Twitter also. So if you have liked this movie, like this video, do all
Links
the
are
things.
below in the description.
And if you want us to review your car, you can just comment or just like
You
email
can,
us or DM us on Instagram or like
you can
Snapchat,
mail us.
anything. We'll be happy.
So guys, many more things are coming, like travel vlogs, lifestyle, and we will cover the car mods, bikes, many more. Even
Yeah.
हमारा चैनल का नाम All About Cars है, but हम cover सब कुछ करेंगे. तो प्लीज ऐसे मत कहना कि भाई तेरे चैनल का नाम
ज्यादा ही
All About Cars है.
ज्यादा ही फ्यूचर से चला गया. We will
तो-
cut down this part.
आगे
And thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are having good time. So till then, until the next video pops up, keep liking this video. एक बार ही करना, दो बार ही नहीं करना, वो खत्म हो जाता. And subscribe.
stay tuned guys.
Stay tuned and just subscribe and
Stay
share
safe.
this. And I hope you have liked this video. And thank you. Take care.